House construction secrets, what the professional knows. Buying versus building. There are a lot of gaps with regards to credible information on what private developers spent to construct their houses and what it would have costed when the same house is bought through a real estate company. Building your own house, of course, is cheaper compared to buying through a real estate agency. The caveat is that real estate agencies have been in the game for many years, they use the best professionals in the game, and have gained experiences over the years on the dos and don'ts of the industry. To run profitable ventures, these agencies charge exorbitant rates for housing projects. The secrets of house construction as an individual or a private developer. 1. Construction drawings. Get professional drawings that meet your design requirements. The plan of the house should be your dream design with all the aspects you have been seeking to have in your house. There are many quacks around and online purporting to sell house plans. Such plans may not meet the municipality or county requirements. The developer is likely to be faulted by the county officials and fined for not complying with the bylaws. Get an experienced and reputable house designer to compile the drawings for you, which will then be submitted for approval by the municipality county officials where the house is to be constructed. 2. The cost of the house. Knowing your housing budget is the first step toward the success of house construction. Most developers leave this aspect to be determined by the building contractor who might take advantage to exploit the developer. Some crook contractors might hike the price of materials or indicate that they used more quantities of the material than the actual quantity used on the house construction. Normally a simple way, rule of thumb, to determine the cost of the house is to multiply the plan area in square meters by 30,000 to determine the cost of the house in Kenya shillings, KES. For your project, you will need a bill of quantities, BQ, to be compiled. This will give the best estimate for the cost of the house with a margin of error of 1 to 2%. 3. Get a good contractor. A good contractor will save the developer money by constructing the house within the required period. Most housing projects will be between 6 to 12 months. A crook contractor will delay the project and hence more cost to the developer. Crook contractors will use the money released for construction and divert them to other projects where they are late indebted, thereby making the construction lag behind. A binding contract should be signed to outline all the requirements of the developer, when the construction will commence and be completed, and the penalty the contractor will be charged if they delay. 4. The house construction process. The drawings are okay, the budget is known, and the contract has been signed. The construction has commenced. The developer should not assume it is going to be a bed of roses. The contractor should be routinely supervised to ensure the work is going on as planned. The developer should contract an engineer to independently check and verify that what the contractor is doing is to standard and acceptable. This will save the developer a lot of problems and costs. Buildings have collapsed around Nairobi and worldwide due to shoddy construction done by crook contractors. 5. Payments made to the contractor. Ensure that every time before a payment is made to the contractor, a scope completion report is submitted by the contractor and confirmed by the supervisor or the site engineer. It is also advisable to retain a certain percentage of the contractor's money when he finally completes constructing the house. This is a cover for the developer to have the contractor back to the site to correct any minor defects and construction problems noted by the developer after the completion of the project. This period is normally agreed on in the contract. Should there be no problems observed, the money should be wired to the contractor for a job well done. Follow these steps and you will be successful in your house and construction projects.